Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Green color, blue color, black color, white color, yellow color, red color. So kids, today we coloring numbers 1 to 20 numbers. So kids, first we use red color. One. Now we coloring 1. O-N-E, 1. Two. T-W-O, 2. 2. So kids, now we use green color. Green color. Now we coloring the number of 3. 3. Kids, now we coloring the number of 4. 4. 4. Kids, the next one is 5. 5. Kids, now we use black color and we are draw the number of 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Kids, again we use black color and draw the number of 6. 6. The number of 6. Kids, now we using white color and we are draw the number of 7. 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Kids, now we using blue color and now we are draw the number of 8. 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Kids, again we using blue color. Now we are draw 9. The number of 9. N-I-N-E, 9. So kids, now we using yellow color and we are draw the number of 10. 10. T-E-N, 10. The number of 10. Kids, again we using yellow color and now we are draw 11. 11. Kids, now we using red color and draw 12. So kids, now we draw the number of 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. 12. Kids, now we using green color. Green color and now we are draw 13. 13. Kids, again we use green color. Now we are draw 14. The number of 14. 14. Kids, now we using black color and draw 15. 15. Now we draw 15. The next one is 16. 16. Kids, now we use white color and draw 17. 17. The number is 17. Kids, now we use again blue color and draw 18. 'Kids, we use blue color. The number is 18. Now we draw 19. 19. The last one is 20. Kids, the last one is 20. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.